Hey everyone, today I'm on site in Kareela and I have a perfect example of what we do to keep our people safe. Today we've got Ausgrid out here. They've de-energized these power lines. We've got the tiger tails on them with the yellow and black stripes. They're a visual aid to keep our climbers away from the power lines, keep our people safe, and to let everyone know that the power has been disconnected so that our climber, when he's in the tree removing it, has got no chance of being zapped by the power. Jobs that involve power lines often require a lot of extra thought. Power is one of the very, very dangerous things in our industry that can easily kill people. I often come on site to make sure that our procedures are being followed, the guys are doing things how they should be, and just to check in, to meet our people, to get to know them, to find out what their challenges are, and to often try and figure out solutions to some of their challenges. So I've got a crane here today so we can lift over the wires and make sure everything's done safely. When a job's planned right, when it's quoted right, when you get the right people and the right equipment with the right plan, things happen safely. That's one of the big differences between us and a lot of other companies.